If you're into trading, you've probably heard of TrendSpider. But does it really live up to the hype as the best AI trading platform? Today, we're diving into what it offers and whether it's worth your time and money. TrendSpider is designed to help traders automate their technical analysis using AI. It offers features like automated trendline detection and backtesting, which can save you hours of manual charting. The user interface is relatively clean, making it accessible for both beginners and seasoned traders. What stands out is the platform's ability to analyze multiple timeframes simultaneously, which can give you a clearer picture of market trends. However, it's worth noting that the learning curve might be steep for those who are completely new to trading. There's a solid educational component too, with tutorials and resources to help users get the most out of the platform. Still, some features feel a bit underexplained, and I found myself wishing for more detailed guidance on using specific tools effectively. Overall, the functionality is impressive, but the user experience could benefit from more clarity in certain areas. On the plus side, TrendSpider offers powerful automation tools that can significantly enhance your trading strategy. The multi-time frame analysis is a standout feature, and the backtesting capabilities are particularly useful for developing strategies. However, there are some drawbacks. The pricing can be a bit steep, especially for casual traders who might not need all the advanced features. Additionally, while the platform is powerful, the complexity can be overwhelming for beginners, leading to frustration if you're not already somewhat experienced in trading. Trust is another concern. While the platform has a good reputation, it's always wise to be cautious when dealing with financial tools. If you're a serious trader looking for advanced features, TrendSpider might be worth it, but if you're just starting out, you might want to explore simpler options first. In conclusion, TrendSpider is a robust tool for serious traders who want to leverage AI for their trading strategies. However, if you're just dipping your toes into trading, it may feel a bit overwhelming and pricey. Overall, it's worth a try for those ready to dive deep, but beginners might want to look elsewhere.